Move and disassemble at will. It only takes 1 minute to disassemble. The wall panels leave no trace at all. Metal base. Install the base. Disassemble the base. A cardboard mold will be given as a gift upon shipment. A metal base is placed behind the mold. Cover the metal base onto the sound-absorbing board and secure it in place. Tighten the screws and the installation is complete. Unscrew the screws at the 4 corners. Remove the metal base, and the disassembly is complete. Installation complete. Contact number WhatsApp packet +861970612729